Hello everyone, today we are reviewing WinBridge Original Voice Amplifier. This is the model S278UHF for teachers, tour guides, instructors, youth counselors, professors, clowns, elderly, and who have soft voice. They provide you with a nice manual, power cable. This is the device itself, nice and compact. Up top you have your on-off, you have your DC 5-volt mic, AUX port. On the side you have a TF slot and a USB slot. You have a strap. Let's go ahead and open this up. AUX cable, microphone cable. They supply you with a USB outlet charge in port. So nice plug. A lot of companies don't supply that. They supply you with a headset mic. So this is a second mic that they supply you with. So this second mic gets placed on like this. You just clamp that on like that. This is the wireless mic, and this is the wired mic. Go ahead, open up the bag and show you guys what this looks like. So for the wireless one, you got plus, minus, DC for charging on and off. When you turn it on, there will be a blue light. Let's go ahead and turn on the device by sliding this over.
Battery.
100% says the battery power. You have mode, rewind, play, pause, fast forward, record. To record, you need to have a TF card placed in here already. We're going to go ahead and test out the wired mic. So you just place the mic right in like that, and keep it away from the device, which it seems to be having some issues here. So let's turn the volume down more. Testing. So yeah, you want to play with the volume. So we're going to place this on our head here, depending on the volume. So let's turn this up. Hello, man. This one does seem to have problems with frequency. Like, normally when you're far away, like we're almost at the full length, and it just seems to have some problems. So I'm thinking the wired one maybe is not the best. Yeah, because we have it maximum length away from us, and it's still making that sound. Even if you adjust the volume, I mean, if you turn it lower, then it doesn't, but then the mic kind of doesn't, it defeats the purpose. But testing, 1, 2. So we're going to do the wireless mic because I don't like the fact that it squeaks very loud. And I don't know what the problem is with that, but yeah, we're going to go ahead with the wireless and turn that one on and test that out. Alright, so all we had to do for the wireless one is turn it on, and now it works great. So this is the wireless one, and I'm very happy with the wireless one. So I don't know what was wrong with the wired one. Normally they squeak if you're like right against. So for the wired one, normally if you're like within this distance of the actual amplifier, it makes that sound. Not when you're like further away. But for some reason this one had an issue. But it's nice that they have the wireless one because we're having no issues, and as you guys can see, this is how loud it is, and we are far away. So you could have this amplifier setting somewhere far away, and you could be talking and nobody knows where you are. So it is pretty cool, but this is definitely a good way to increase your voice to everybody that is far in the background. So overall, I'm very disappointed in the wired mic, but I'm extremely happy with the wireless mic. And most of these amplifiers don't come with a wireless mic. They only come with a wired mic. So I can forgive this kit because it comes with a wireless mic, which most do not come with. So overall, I'm happy. So if you need a voice amplifier, this will work good. The wireless mic is working great.